In this channel, I do talk about plants and how to take care of them, even if you are a total beginner. Today, I'm going to show you 5 super easy indoor plants that are perfect for beginners. These plants don't even need much care. They are amazing and can make your space feel fresh and alive. So let's get started. This is one of the places where I guess most of my plants. You can see how the place looks like. It's a really beautiful place. I love this place, and most of my plants I get them from here. Just have a look and see. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful sight. Let's move on and start with the first one. And we got this easy plant, and this plant, it's almost impossible to kill it. It grows well in low light, and you only need to water it once every 2 weeks. These green shiny leaves makes it look happy and healthy all the time. If you're the kind of a person who forgets to water your plants, this easy plant is perfect for you. And next we have the snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue. This one is a real champion for beginners. It lives in low light or bright light. It doesn't require much water at all. Plus, it helps purify the air in your room. Just water this plant every few weeks, and that is it. It's so easy. And number 3, we have the pothos, also known as the money plant. Pothos has beautiful heart-shaped leaves, and it can grow as a hanging vine. Pothos grow fast and can survive in low lights too. Just water it when the top of the soil feels really dry. You can even grow it in water if you like. So you only need to change the water on a weekly basis. Let's talk about jade plant. It's a cute succulent plant. This is actually one of my favorites. It has thick round leaves. It loves sunlight. It doesn't require much water. Just water the plant when the soil feels dry or when the soil is completely dry. It's just beautiful. It grows into a beautiful plant. It's a really nice plant. I like. This is one of the best plants that I have ever kept. And finally, we have the rubber plant. Here it is. It has big glossy leaves, which makes it look really classy. It loves bright indirect light and just a little water. Water it when the soil feels dry at the top. You don't if you treat this plant well, it can really grow into a quite tall and become a beautiful corner plant in your home. So what do you think about this plant? 5 easy to care for indoor plants for beginners. That is the zizi, the rubber plants, snake plant, pothos, and jade. They are low maintenance, beautiful, and perfect if you are starting your planting journey. And let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite. Bye bye for today. I'll see you in my next one.